and then getting to your stock picks. Nick, I'll stick with you. You gave us a little bit of teaser, so what are you going for this evening?
Teaser. Well, to be fair, I'm not the first to mention it tonight, but my stock pick is going to be in the banking side, and it's going to be Absa. So I suppose I've been fairly disappointed with the reaction from the Rand post the budget. I thought the budget, it's a very tough sort of job as such, but I thought it was a pretty credible, if not uninspiring, budget. And in that sort of environment, I wouldn't have expected the Rand to sell off, to the extent that perhaps it has. It does make me somewhat nervous, and pairing that with valuations on your sort of more offshore type of companies. And, just having a look at your forward multiple and an Absa at the moment, less than 6, I think it's incredibly inexpensive. So I think there's a lot of opportunity there. Yes. There's uncertainty of our macro sort of turnaround, etc. But overall, strong, solid, generates a fair amount of cash flow, etc. And the valuation looks attractive. So that'll be my stock this evening.
Okay, great. Alex, how about you?
Yes, I'm going for Afrimat. And they had a pre-close update. I think it was last week. I can't even recall. It was okay. It was quite good. Mostly ticking the boxes. The share price has been down about almost 6% the last month, which I think is not necessarily justified. So they've got obviously big exposure to iron ore as well as anthracite for commodity mine, which is ramping up. Also got industrial metals in there as well as construction materials. And I think as a basket, they're going to do quite well going forward. I think they've got a very strong management team. They've got very good capital allocation record. And of course, they're still busy with the Lafarge deal, which seems quite likely that's going to go through from their side. There might be 1 or 2 issues from a competition commission perspective, but if that deal does go through without punitive conditions, I think Afrimat is, for me, very well positioned over medium to long term. And if I have to choose one particular stock in the SA mining perspective, I think that's one exciting company that I like, and I think the viewers should invest in.
Yeah. Okay, gents, we shall leave it there. Thank you very much for your insight this evening. Much appreciated. Alex Duys is from Umthombo Wealth. Nick Crail is from FNB Wealth and Investments. And up next, the close. Stay with us.